What's the score between you and Jillian Ward?
Actually, lagi po siyang natatanong sa akin. And I've always said na hindi kami magkaaway, hindi lang kami magkasundo or something. Pero the truth is, I say that para iwas issue na sa amin both. Kumbaga, it's a feud na sobrang tagal na. And I think one of the things kung bakit di namin siya naayos is because we never got to talk about it.
But you were so close before.
Yes. Kasi, ano rin po yun nga po, we were close. So, gulat na lang ako, biglang hindi na. Ganun yung nangyari sa amin. And after nun, we never talked anymore. Pero yun po, yung nangyari sa amin, we were close, tapos biglang, wala na.
Basta,
Like, literal, wala na. It is snap. Wala pong buwelo na ilangan. Literal, stop.
pero recently, nasa AOS kayo pareho. At nagka-picture pa kayong dalawa. So you never, sa bagay, kasi mabilis lang yun eh, no?
Mabilis lang po. Yun nga po. Kaya I always say, hindi, kasi ayoko na rin na na-issue po kami both. Lalo na parang pareho kaming nasa peak ng careers. We both have shows. We both have wonderful projects. Parehong maganda yung career pathing namin. So, kapag nabe-bring up siya, parang nadadrag yung names namin into issues na sobrang tagal na. Prima pa siya. Season 1 pa.
Season
so,
1
super
pa.
tagal na po talaga niya.
Pero katulad niyan, may issue, parang some people are making an issue out of it. Pareho kayo nasa prime time. Ikaw sa hapon, ikaw siya sa gabi. Hingan kita ng message sana.
People should just stop making an issue po about it. Like, kung hindi kami okay, I don't see any problem with it. Kumbaga, it's normal. Like, even normal people, meron tayong mga tao na hindi ka okay. And you can't force friendship to reconcile out of nowhere. Lalo kapag wala pa kayong reasons na, parang hindi man reasons, pero wala pa kayong ways na, parang nga tayo magkakayos. Eh, walang gusto na, anong nangyari? I think, darating naman din yun with Jillian, when the time is right, kapag may taong nag-start na, ba't di kayo mag-usap? And now is not the right time yet, since kahit ako, labong-labo rin ako.